What's up YouTube? So today I'm going to show you the two types of welding hoods that I currently own. The first one is the Weldtube chop top leather hood. It's this one right here. It has the upgraded adapter lens that it flips up. Anti-C87. A nice finish with the red leather top. It's pretty good, heavy, or not heavy, but durable. And then I have the Hobart one that I picked up from Amazon. This is also one you can use in the field. All you would need is well, you can use on both. It'll be the halo adapter for your hard hat. And then also, I got these few lenses. So they all come with like the little cheap plastic lenses, like the stock ones that come with all the welding hoods. But I replaced them with these right here, the Best Welds, which these are standard, pretty cheap, like about $1 or something. And then also, I currently upgraded the welding lenses. So we have this one, the Weldtube Visibility 10, Shade 10. And then this is the one I purchased off of Amazon. This is a Shade 11. And then also, this is probably one of the ones I like so far. I haven't tried any other ones. The Arc one, this is I believe Shade 10. It's the auto lenses. As you can see, this is not the battery. Not a big fan of the battery ones, just because you have to keep replacing them. And these are the solar ones. And I'm gonna show you the difference. I really can't show you the shade on this one just because it's a auto and I need to use the arc stripe. I'm gonna show you how it looks in the inside. And this is the one, the Weldtube Shade 11. I'm gonna test it out on this light right here. Show you how it looks. This is a Shade 10, the Weldtube one. And then I'm gonna show you the one I purchased off of Amazon. This is gold. This is a Shade 11. You can see the difference. And these are the two hoods. I'll most likely use this is my favorite one. I'll most likely put the auto on this one and the shade, probably Shade 11 on this one. I kind of like the dark shades. Or I'll switch over, I'll put this auto on this one, maybe try the Shade 10 on this one. It's whatever you really prefer. But there you have it, the two welding hoods that I currently own, and a couple of the welding lenses that I have.